The Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 offers two main attractions. The first, and is therefore unmistakable, is the inclusion of a game-changing 48-megapixel rear camera. The camera is notably equipped with Samsung ISOCELL Bright GM1 sensor. Apart from the staggering camera sensor itself, it should be noted that the camera is being armed on a budget-friendly device from a series that's famed for its entry-level to mid-range smartphone offerings. Right next to its ambitious camera setup, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 is also noted for its cheap price tags for a smartphone with such caliber. Everything else on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 is what would someone expect from a smartphone that comes from a newly anointed sub-brand, a slew of top-grade albeit mid-range offerings under the hood. The device is powered by Snapdragon 660 and features a massive 6.3-inch water drop notch screen and a full HD resolution.